Good morning students. Now today we will begin with exercise 9.4 as we have already completed till exercise 9.3. I have posted the videos of the explanation of the part of the algebra along with the exercises. Now today we will begin exercise 9.4 and this is also very important exercise because in this exercise we will learn about power and exponent and about substitution method. So what is power? What is power in numbers? Power and exponent means same. Okay, this means we will put power to any number. Okay, now see here what happens. Suppose there is a number 2. There is a number 2 and on this number we will put power. Okay, see here 2 to the power 4 and we will write like this. 2 in superscript we will write 4. Superscript is the value which is written at the head of the number. Okay, is known as superscript. ठीक है, 2 के ऊपर लिखा जाएगा. जो 2 के ऊपर लिखा जाता है वो पावर कहलाता है. इसको सुपरस्क्रिप्ट बोलते हैं. इस पोजीशन को सुपरस्क्रिप्ट और नीचे लिखा जाता है तो उसे सबस्क्रिप्ट. लेकिन हम पावर को नंबर के ऊपर लिखते हैं. ठीक है, इसको पावर बोलेंगे. दिस इज पावर. दिस इज नोन एज पावर. ओके, 2 to the power 4. हाउ डू वी प्रोनाउंस इट? 2 to the power 4. ओके, नाउ लिसन. This power, how does this power affect the number? Now we will learn how does this power affect the number. Now see here, if the number is written 2 to the power 4, so what we will do? We have to multiply 2 to the 4 times. We have to multiply the number 2 to the 4 times. If in the power it is written 4, then the number will multiplied by 4 times. Okay, so 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So answer is 16. Answer is 16. This is the work of power. Okay, 2 to the power 4 we will multiply 4 times. If any number is written 5, 5 to the power 3. Okay, 5 to the power 3. So this is power 3. 5 to the power 3. So what we will do? We will multiply 5 to 3 times. Okay, so what will be the answer? 5 5 is 25. 25 into 5, 125. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so we will do power is attached not only in numerals but also in literals. That means in variables also. Okay, if any variable or any literal is attached with power, then we have to multiply that variable up to the given power times. Suppose if it is written x to the power 4, okay, that means what? X will be multiplied by 4 times. Okay, this will be the condition. Okay, if it is written y to the power 5, so y will multiply 5 times. Okay, y will multiply 5 times. Understand? Like this only. So if somewhere is written p square, q square, r square, so that means what? We have to multiply p to 2 times along with q to 2 times along with r to the 2 times, and then we will place value of p, q and r and then we will get the result. Okay, so this is known as power and exponent. Okay, this is known as power and exponent. After this what we have to learn? We have to learn about substitution. Okay, we have to learn about substituting the value, that is substitution. Okay, this is what about power and the work of power I have explained. Okay, now substitution method. Okay, so what is substitution method? In substitution method what we will do? We will place the value of variable which is given in the question, that is x, y, z A, B, C, P, Q, R, some value will also be given in the question. So we will place. See here, for example, I will take one question. Suppose here it is written 2x minus 3y plus 5z. 2x minus 3y plus 5z, where value of x is given what? 2, value of y is given minus 2, okay, and value of z is given 1, okay. The value of x, y, z is given in the question. These value will be given in the question. You will have these value in the question along with this question. So what we have to do? We have to put the value of x in the place of x, the value of y in the place of y, the value of z in the place of z, okay, and then we will solve and we will get the answer. See here, 2 into the value of x is what? 2. So 2 into 2 minus, this minus will come down, then 3, the value of y is given minus 2. So 3 into, in bracket we will place minus 2. Why? Because 2 is having minus sign with it. So in bracket we will keep it, okay, so that we do not have confusion of sign, okay. If we will not place it in minus, what happened? There may be a chance of having a problem with the sign, okay. We can get confused with the sign, and because of that confusion, what happens? Our answer will get wrong. So it is better to place bracket, okay. Then 5 into z, so the value of z is 1. Then 2 to the 4 minus, and this bracket will open, so minus minus will give plus. 3 to the 6, 5 1 ja 5. This minus and this minus on multiplying give plus. That we have learned that plus plus will always on multiplying gives plus only. Minus plus on multiplying gives minus. Plus minus on multiplying gives minus, but minus and minus on multiplying gives plus sign, okay. So this is the sign. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15 is the answer. This is the substitution method, okay. It is very easy. What we have to do? We have to just substitute the value of x, y, z in the question where it is asked, okay. This is known as substitution method, okay. So the exercise 9.4 is based on this only, okay. We will take few questions of the exercise, okay, right now. Then you have to solve this exercise in your copy, okay. Now see here, question number 2. Question number 2, fourth part. Question number 2, fourth part, okay. It is written 2p plus 3q plus 4r, okay. 2p plus 3q plus 4r plus PQR plus PQR, where the value of P is minus 1, value of P is how much? Minus 1, value of Q is how much? 2, value of Q is 2, and value of R is 3 given in the question, okay. So what we have to? We have to substitute the value of PQR in the place where it is asked in the question, and then we will solve and we will get the answer. So see here, 2 multiply with P, value of P is minus 1, so we will substitute the value of P. Then 3 into Q, value of Q is 2, then 4, value of R is what? 3, then plus minus 1 in bracket, then Q, then R is 3, okay. Now what we will do? 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 3 2 ja 6, plus 4 3 ja 12, plus minus 1 into 2 into 3, so 3 2 ja 6, and into minus 1 will give minus 6, okay. 3 2 ja 6 will give minus 6. Now minus 2 plus 6 plus 12 and plus and minus will give minus 6. So what will be the answer? 6 and minus 2 plus and minus will give result in minus. So 6 minus 2 will give 4. but the sign will be always of bigger number. So 6 is bigger in comparison to 2. So 6 containing plus sign, so it will, the result will having a positive sign. Okay. Now 12 and minus 6. So we'll give 6. 4 plus 6, the answer is 10. Okay. So this is the answer of exercise of question number 2, part 4 of 9.4. Okay. What we have done, we have just substituted the value. Now see question number 6. Okay. Question number 5, third part. Now see first question number 5, third part. Maybe these questions differ from your book because your book is new one, but the way of doing question is similar. Okay. So no need to get panic. You do question what it is given in your book. Okay. I am doing what it is giving in my book. Okay. But the things is same. So you have to just learn. Okay. Now see here, 2x plus 3y minus 4z. The question is 2x plus 3y minus 4z upon 3x minus z, upon 3x minus z. Okay. Now see here, the value of x is 2, y is 3. Value of x is 2 and y is 3, and z is what? The value of z is minus 1. Value of z is minus 1. So we will place in the, we will substitute the value in the place of x, y, z. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 minus 4 into z minus 1 upon 3x minus z. Then 3 into 2 minus z, that means minus 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 minus minus will give plus, 4 1s are 4 upon 3 2s are 6, and then 6 minus minus will give plus. Okay. Minus and minus will give plus. Then 9, 4 plus 4, 8. So now what happened? 8 plus 9. Further 8 plus 9 upon 6 plus 1, 7. Now what we will do? Now what we will do? 9 plus 8 will give 17 upon 7 is the answer. Okay. This is the way of doing the question. What we have done? We have substituted the value. In place of x, we have put value of x. In place of y, we have put the value of y. In place of z, we have put the value of z. Okay. Then we will solve by carefully seeing the sign of the value. If there is some minus, then what happen? We will check it whether minus minus is not minus minus is giving plus or not, plus minus the sign will change or not. Okay. So we will keep this in mind, and after keeping this in mind, we will solve the question. If there is still any confusion, what you have to do? You have to ask me in the comment box or in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Now all the question is similar to this, to these example which I have solved here. What you have to do? You have to do this exercise in your fair copy. Okay. Thank you.